All right, back in Petersburg. I have a quick little repair. This nice lady is having a leak in her kitchen. Came by the other day and kind of seen what's going on. So I have to remove some shingles. I'm going to change a pipe boot just in case that is a factor that is causing a leak as well, even though it's maybe a foot or two away from it. I think the main cause is this spot. This spot underneath the gutter. The gutter's a little tight to the roof, and it caused some damage to the shingle right here. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. Right in there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this bad boy off, take the gutter off, so I can get full access to that, and put it back together, take the shingle out, and I think we'll be good money. Bing, bing, bing. It's a good way to start the day out. I got this, and then I have a flashing / roof replacement up in Richmond right after, so I'm gonna go ahead to that next. So, okay, there's one. The only spot holding this in? Oh, a couple of nails. Uh-oh. Ruh-roh, George. Come on, baby. Alright, one nail. Oh, wow, okay. A couple of nails in this bad boy. Okay, so yeah, that's the spot. I thought maybe the main cause of the leak. Let me try to pluck this up. Wow, I didn't even notice that before. So what I don't want to do is get super involved with the shingles above this. Let's see what I can do. Okay, mad at that. Get this thing up out of here. That. Come on. Let's go. Got a little cut up here. Alright, it's a little damaged. It's a little damaged. The double dipper. Come on, man. Give me them twins, you heard? I think when I put the new shingles in, I'm not even... I may do my trick where I just kind of caulk everything in instead of putting nails, because this is a kind of a vulnerable area. I don't know if I can even get all the way up in there.
That's what she said.
I guess I'll just do what they did, except better. Cut this. Got that. So yeah, we got a little water here, but it doesn't look terrible. I think maybe I should grab some ice and water and just sit it in here just in case as well. Yeah, let's do that. Run out of the truck real quick and go grab that. Tell you one thing, the sky is not looking too promising. Not promising at all. Yeah. Get some water shielding. Cut a little piece off real quick. Do this, man. I think that was my original plan too, but I don't do everything. Forgetful man. I'll be forgetting, man. Alright. Yes. Ice scan for windshield. Courtesy of Beacon. Beacon not thinking. Oh, I got cancellation for the week. Well, postponement. I'm doing it on Saturday now. So I got a free afternoon. Guess I'll edit some more videos and stuff. Always something to do for sure. Can't sit around and do nothing. Man, this phone just will not stop going off. Where the heck this come from? Oh, come on. Let's say clean for once. Can't do nothing without getting dirty. That's roof life. Dirty finger boy. All right, let's get serious. Back to it. Okay, so the leak is showing up like right here. So like I said, I'm gonna change this out. I really hate the way they did this. And keep moving. Golly, come on. Okay. So I'm gonna try to get this up in here to protect this vulnerable area. Let's go here. Whatever, cut all the way down. Where's that stinking little glob of caulk at? Right there. Goodbye, glob of caulk. Go right there and go here. See if I can tuck this thing. Try to put this underneath this one also. All right. I think that'll work. Take a little flickage. Noise. All right, put this back together right quick. Put it back together forever and ever. All right. Oh. Good old Schmilwaukee. Got the Schmilwaukee box. Bing. And I think I'm gonna give this one a big lap. Must be a reason why they did it like this, but I'm just gonna give it a big slap. Give that one a nice big slap. Bing. And I did say I wasn't going to put nails in it, and I already shot a nail in. Dummy. You big dummy! It's all good.